AI was definitely a groundbreaking change to the world of technology. So was crypto, a groundbreaking change, invention that changed the way we think of finance. What happens if we go ahead and combine these two together? What do we get? Do we get something good or do we get something bad? Today, we'll be exploring a project that does exactly that, combines both of these topics for empowering Web3 growth. Sounds interesting? Well then, let's dive straight into their website. Here we are on Borroe, Inspiring Reinvented, empowering Web3 growth with AI-powered funding, a new way to turn future revenue into upfront cash. Here you can see some of the buttons, and one of those indicate that they are already KYC'd, which we can check out. So if you don't know what KYC is, it's know your customer. You can also view their smart contract here, or you can watch an explainer video clicking this here. I'll leave a link down below in the description to their website if you want to check those out. But now let's go ahead and explore their website a little more. Here you can see that they have ongoing pre-sale going on, where they have already raised over $1.5 million with over 4 million tokens remaining. So over $1.5 million raised in cash is definitely something that should be ignored. It definitely has a lot of potential to grow even more, and investing now, in my opinion, is definitely a good choice. But keep in mind, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give any sorts of financial advice. For your knowledge, you should always do these decisions on your own and do your own research. Now, here you can see that we can buy ROE, which is their native token, with several different currencies, even more BTC, Matic, Doge, etc. And we also have a 10% bonus promo code on our purchase, which you can apply here. If you want even a bigger discount, well, I have one down in the description, which will pop up right here. Make sure to use it if you're interested in participating in this. Now, let's go down further. Here you can see some newspapers that they are featured in, such as Zynga, Yahoo Finance. So definitely some huge names here, and definitely some ongoing marketing, which is always awesome to see. You can join their communities now, which I encourage you guys to do. Here you see their Telegram as well as Twitter. Make sure to check it out. And then we can read more about Borroe Finance. So Borroe Finance is a revolutionary AI-powered funding marketplace that helps Web3 participants unlock capital by selling future earnings from subscriptions, invoices, royalties, and more instant cash flow. Here you can see the different outlooks on the project. So the community, it's built to scale, and it's Web3 focused, which is pretty awesome. Here again, we are created to join their pre-sale, and we can also read their white paper, which I'll have also linked down in the description, and which we'll be going over a bit later. Here you can see the need for Borroe. So challenge Web3 represents the next evolution of the internet, where value is rightfully shared with its creators, and it's clear that legacy systems used by traditional funding providers are no longer suited to validating the landscape and pretending the industry overall advancement. Traditional invoice factoring, financing, or discounting problems, it's high cost, lack of automation, no confidentiality, increased possibility of fraud, compliance restraints, many more. Now, the solution is Borroe. With Borroe, business can quickly raise upfront cash by minting non-fungible tokens NFTs representing future and outstanding invoices and fees, which are sold at discount price at marketplace. The AI trading platform utilizes cryptocurrency, blockchain tokenization, and smart contracts to enable a faster and more efficient working capital raising process. So they will also be implementing NFTs to represent future and outstanding invoices, which is very cool. They are confidential, which is very cool. If you don't know any benefits of the NFTs, I'll have a video link down below for you guys to view upon and understand it more on her. Here you can see how it works. So the Borroe Finance platform integrates AI-powered risk assessment, secures blockchain technology, and streamlined payment solutions, providing a safe and efficient fundraising process. Here you can see that in the first step, seller signs up, chooses its revenue type, and then agrees to Borroe terms. Here you can see a more in-depth guide in their picture. As for the marketplace, rating, score, tokenized certificate, listed and published, and for the invoice buyer, notification, call to trade, repayment. So all very clear, all very cool. I highly encourage you guys to stop the video or go over to their website to read more about this in depth. You will definitely understand it better once you read it yourselves. Here you can see that it can explain. Borroe Finance believes in the power of Web3 to transform online interactions and empower users by giving them more ownership and value. The platform is paving the way for a new era where billions of people can enjoy a greater share of the value they helped to create. Follow the steps below to buy ROE. So again, as in the previous videos, we have the steps explained on how we can purchase it, but it's very easy. We also have an explainer.
Are you a content creator or a business in the Web3 space? Itching to mint non-fungible tokens. NFTs represent.
But again, we have some steps. So just connect your wallet, select payment method that you want to purchase tokens with, select the amount as well. And then lastly, just confirm the transaction, which is very, very, very easy. We will even participate in the pre-sale ourselves for you guys to go ahead and see how it works. Here you can see token overview. So token symbol ROE, 1 billion token supply, even less than Bitcoin, which is bullish, and the token type is Polygon, Ethereum sidechain, 18 decimals. Here you can see the tokenomics, where how the tokens will be distributed. So 10% for marketing, 3.5 for partners, 3.5 rewards, 5 team, 10% treasury, 50% public retail, 10% exchange listings, 10% liquidity pool. Very, very simple. Here we can see some features and benefits. So notifications, discounted fees, premium features, rewards and incentives, recognition rewards, governance memberships. So all of these points even make me more bullish on this idea moreover. Here can we see the roadmap. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Website white paper, full security audit, community rewards, token and marketplace launch with listings on 3 to 5 top 10 exchanges, new partnerships and expansion into complementary markets. Very, very easy, pretty simple and straightforward roadmap. I like it. They are not overcomplicated and definitely very much achievable to grow this project even more. Here you can see stuff they are powered by, so MetaMask, Coinbase Trust Wallet, and then we can meet the team. So as well as director Michael Price, blockchain lead Maxim, and brand consultant Antia Kule. So we can even see their LinkedIns and understand that they are indeed audited and are real people. So this gives me even more confidence in the project, knowing that I know who is behind it. Then again, we can see some of their socials as well as frequently asked questions, and then we meet their footer and reach the end of the website. So now is the perfect time to go ahead and join their pre-sale. So we have our wallet connected. We selected our payment type, which will be BNB. We just select the amount we want to invest. So for starters, let's do 100 USDT. 100 USD. We can see how many tokens we'll be getting for this price. And then we also need to not forget our promo code, which is INF02, which will apply 20% bonus to our deposit, which is very, very, very nice. So also guys, don't forget to provide an email wallet recovery if anything bad happens. And then once you do that, you just click buy ROV and you're ready to go. So guys, we have successfully purchased our tokens. All we needed to do is just confirm the transaction with MetaMask, and we can see that it will take up to 30 minutes for our token balance to update, but we got into the pre-sale and I'm definitely hoping for some gains right here. So guys, that's about it for the video. We explained the website, we explained the goal as well as the idea behind it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely like this project myself. I think it has a very unique idea and the perspective on it in my eyes is very, very big. But no matter what I say, make sure you guys research this one yourselves. Make sure you know what you're investing to. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. As always, stay safe and good luck investing in DeFi. I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.